Hey gang, Poppy here. It's November the 1st. Excuse me. Uh, to, well, let's call this caffeine and BS. Why not? In order to, brighten my mood after all my ranting and pulling my hair, you can see I've been pulling on it, over the electricity situation. I was watching the tale of a fight between two other YouTube creators. It takes me back to Audio Galaxy when Poppy used to be a flame warrior. But it's more spectacular now. And just sitting back watching these two and the people who want to attach to either one. Oh, it made me feel good. I was able to order the bandsaw blade I wanted. Although I probably would have ordered two. I was only able to get one. But also I ordered a 750 watt inverter. Looks fairly decent. It'll run this for quite a few hours once I clamp it on a 40 amp hour scooter battery. Or a 50 amp hour scooter battery for that matter. I've got two of them. Two of the former 40s, so I'll be able to record my rants about people screwing up my electric while the electric's down. Who knows? Maybe my psycho babbling when the next power outage will go viral. People decide they love me and all that. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Y'all try and have a good life.